The future is here. You can now create your own AI avatar in less than 10 minutes. In this process, I'm going to show you exactly how you can clone yourself and be able to run Facebook and TikTok ads and have multiple variations all from your own AI. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The very first step is you're going to go to this website, which is linked below, and you're going to sign up. And once you've accessed the Creatify Studio, you're going to be able to select My Avatars. And what this is going to allow you to do is be able to create an exact replica of your own self in an AI version, allowing you to tell it to say anything you want. And that way you can run this as Facebook and TikTok ads for your products or even your own service. Now, to do this and to create your own AI avatar, the first step you're going to want to do is select Upload. And in order to bring your AI avatar to life, so that way it can mimic your own emotions, behave the same way that you do, and speak just like yourself, you're going to need to follow some steps. And to do that, you'll need to upload a video of yourself talking directly into camera for 2 to 5 minutes. That way the AI can capture your voice. You'll want to be centered up in frame, and you'll want to ensure that the camera is placed at a distance where it can see your hand movement and even see you speaking. Not only that, but you want to make sure you look directly into camera and have a well-lit lighting environment. Once you do that, you can upload your video by selecting Continue, and then the tool is going to map yourself and create your own unique AI. And once you've uploaded your footage and you hit Continue, your video will then be rendered and you'll have your own AI avatar. So I've gone ahead and already cloned myself into an AI version. And now in order for me to create multiple Facebook and TikTok ads, I can now use the new feature that Creatify just released, which is batch mode. And if you've watched previous videos on my channel, then you know having multiple Facebook ads and multiple TikTok ad creative variants is important for testing to see good results. And if you struggle with creating content, then this AI tool is perfect for you because you can batch create 5, 10 different ads all at once and be able to test them across the board. So to do this, you'll simply go to batch mode. And if you have a product, you simply will just copy your product URL and paste it here. So go ahead and paste your product link and then analyze that URL. The AI will then pull in specific images and you can name your product and then ensure the description is what you want it to say. You'll then hit next and you can choose the different sizing formats. You can choose a 9:16, which is great for TikTok, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. You can choose a 16:9, which could be a great YouTube ad, or a 1:1. So in our case, we're going to choose a 9:16, 15 seconds, and we're going to say Facebook and TikTok advertisers because that is our audience. Yours might be something different, and you can choose whether or not you want captions or background music. We'll go ahead and use both in this case for the test. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be able to batch create multiple Facebook and TikTok ads, which is absolutely incredible. This is going to save us hundreds of hours. We don't have to film the video. We have our own AI avatar, and we're able to create unique ad variants with unique scripts that cover specific topic points that will resonate with different audiences at scale, allowing you to get more results. So this is pretty incredible. The AI tool has already written us some scripts, and we can choose some of the styles and emotions we want to attach to these videos. So here, let's look at some of the options. The first one is don't worry. This will address a negative emotion. So if people are struggling with something, it will position your product as a solution. We have let me show you, positively demonstrate your product. This would be a very direct video explaining how it works. That's always a good option. We have a problem solution. We have a response bubble, which is answering a common comment from the audience. What is their most commented question? This could be an incredible way to leverage that. And we can even choose motivational to get people excited and even call out the 3 reasons why. These are some great script ideas. And we can even use our DIY, which is we could write our own script to have our AI say anything we would like. But I'm going to go ahead and use these 5 examples. And now I can choose some visual styles that I'd like to pair up with these. So I could do a full screen where my AI is just talking directly into the video, talking about our product and offer. I can choose top and bottom, which is the AI paired with the images of our product. And we can choose a avatar bubble as well. and then a quick transition. So these are some visual styles that are different variants, allowing us to test and see which versions are going to work best. And then we're able to select tons of different AIs, but once you've uploaded your AI avatar, you'll be able to select it to be able to use in your own videos. So if you only want to use your AI clone, then this is perfect for you. You would just select that one AI avatar. Now, if you want to test different personalities and unique AIs that are ultra realistic, and it makes it really hard for somebody to tell the difference because it voice matches perfectly, then you can try testing some of these different AI avatars. And we can even scroll down and choose more, and there's so many AI avatars we can select. So let's go ahead and choose a few of these to potentially test. So I'm going to select 2 AI avatars. And so in total, we have 40 videos we're going to be able to create with this AI tool. Now, we might not need 40, so I'm going to go ahead and deselect maybe one of these and get our video count down. And so that way we just have about 20 ad variants. So that's a pretty good amount. We could test 10 on Facebook, test 10 on TikTok ads, and see which ones convert best. And this is awesome because it's batch creating all these different ad variants. That way we don't have to individually create these over and over again, and it's going to save us a ton of time. Then we'll select next, and we'll be able to render our videos. So it's going to take a little bit to render all 20 videos. So we'll check back in and see once those videos are processed. All right, so that was pretty quick. So all of the videos rendered very fast, and we already have our 20 different Facebook and TikTok ad creatives, not only using our own AI avatar that we just created in this video, but also using some of the avatar examples that they have. So here are all the different video formats that were created, and they already look pretty amazing. And keep in mind, I did not even film this video, so this is pretty crazy to think about that AI has rendered this. So let's go ahead and get a sneak peek at what one of these videos look like. Here's the first one, the 3 reasons why. In the e-commerce accelerator course for 3 reasons. 1, boost sales to 100K monthly. 2, weekly updates on Facebook, TikTok strategies. So pretty crazy. It's going to voice match it perfectly with exactly what the script says. And I didn't film this. It looks ultra realistic. You can't even tell that I did not film this video, and it starts to explain our actual e-commerce accelerator. And by the way, if you haven't checked out our e-commerce accelerator, it's perfect for any beginner to advanced level media buyer looking to scale up with Facebook, TikTok ads, learn how to launch their Shopify store, and even master their email marketing and SMS. So definitely check out that new course we just launched because we're releasing new modules into it every single week. Now let's check out this other video by the AI avatar.
In the e-commerce accelerator course for 3 reasons. 1, boost sales to 100K monthly. 2, weekly updates on Facebook, TikTok strategies. So
pretty crazy to think that this is AI once again. It does a really good job of explaining. The voice is there, and we can simply download each of these videos without the watermark and upload them into our Facebook and TikTok ads. Not only that, but we can actually click edit and adjust this video if we wanted to. So as you can see, a very intuitive editor here. And all we have to do is just click on the text, and we can even adjust it, change the font, size, and even move the positioning of where we want this text to show up. And even if we wanted to replace one of the actual images, we could just drag and drop it into place and adjust how we want it to look inside of our video. And so we can start to edit and make the video how we would like it, or we could just use the exact variation that it created and even add in our call to action at the end. And once we export it, it will accurately lip sync it. So the voice might not be exactly aligned when you're editing, but once you export, it's going to sync up the mouth and voice perfectly, so that way you can't even tell that it was generated. It's pretty crazy how far technology has come, so definitely make sure to click the link below the description to be able to set up the AI avatar and start creating your different Facebook and TikTok ads. And as you can see, we have all of our videos rendered, and now we can download all of these and start testing them. So if you want to check out a video on how to launch your Facebook and TikTok ads, I have 2 videos right here, which are perfect starting points for you. So that way you can get everything set up between these 2 videos and start generating results for your business. And once again, it's your favorite digital marketer here. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Cheers and bye all.